Good day friends, I am Dr. Praveen Jacob. Today I am here to discuss how to boost our immunity. We do know that there is an outbreak of viral infections around us today. So the best way to prevent microbial infection, whether it is bacterial or virus, is to boost our immunity. When immunity is inside you, life is around you. You don't have to worry anyone, any virus. So here, I would like to discuss how to boost our immunity naturally. There is a two component to boost our immunity. One, definitely choosing a right dietary habit. Junk food and particularly sugar can kill our immunity. Healthy foods like omega-3 fatty acids, protein, fruits, vegetable can boost our immunity. I'm here to discuss about second component, that is herbal medicines. India is a gold mine of herbal medicines. There are hundreds of species of herbs are available in India which can collectively protect us from microbial inflammation. Boost your immune system by natural biotics. What is this natural biotics? Scientists have isolated hundreds of natural antibiotics from herbal medicine collected from India. Each herbs holds hundreds of molecules which can potentially battle with the virus and bacterial infection. Let me tell you which are those amazing, incredible herbs from India. Boost immune system naturally, very important. The synthetic medicines are not the solution in long run. So if you have a strong immune system, you can expose to any system, you can expose to any type of virus or bacteria without any regret or fear. So let me tell you the strongest 6 natural herbs, the strong, most potentially powerful Indian herbs has the strong power to kill virus and bacteria. The number 1, Tulasi. Second, Swatia chirata, which is found in Himalayan ranges. Kalmeg or Andrographis paniculata, Jastimadu or Lycorice, Nelanilli or Phyllanthus niruti, Gudichi or Amrutaballi. These are the 6 powerful Indian herbs found to be very effective against viral and bacterial infection. And I would like to discuss with you some of the studies which substantiate the claims of this Indian herbal medicines. Let me brief you a study published in Lancet. Lancet is one of the most reputed journal, published in 2003, glycyrrhizin, an active component of lycorice roots, replication of SARS-associated coronavirus. So they found that when they administered extract of lycorice, Jastimadu, they found it could inhibit the growth of coronavirus, published in Lancet. Lycorice may tackle SARS virus, the Lancet study. And next herb, Andrographis paniculata, the Sanskrit name is Kalmega. Very bitter in taste, but there are lots of studies, numerous studies are published in different journals about antiviral property of Andrographis paniculata or Kalmega. For instance, a study published in Pharmacologia Sinicea, a journal, a reputed journal, published on 2010 February, they found that immunomodulatory activity of andrographoloid on macrophage activation and specific antibody response. They found that once the Kalmeg is administered to patients, which could boost up the immune system called as macrophages. It will significantly increase the activity of macrophages. Macrophages are nothing but the Solgias located in our body which have the ability to battle with the bacteria and virus. Next one, Ocimum sanctum or Tulasi, a study published in Journal of Ethnopharmacology in April 2002. They found that evaluation of immunomodulatory potential of Ocimum sanctum seed oil and its possible mechanism of action. They found that the Tulasi, the extract of Tulasi and molecules isolated from the Tulasi could potentially inhibit the growth of virus and bacteria. Next one, Tynospora cordifolia or Amrutaballi or Gudichi Amrutaballi. It is very known. I do know that a couple of my friends, there was the outbreak of dengue fever, and those who started as a precautionary methods like Amrutaballi Kashaya, none of them were victims of dengue fever. So it is one of the amazing, incredible antiviral herb from India, Amrutaballi. The immunomodulatory active compounds from Tynospora cordifolia. The study published in Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2012. Next one, antimicrobial activity of crude methanolic extract from Phyllanthus neruri, and the Journal of Antiviral Research. The Journal of Antiviral Research published a study on 1993, volume 20, issue 3, effect of extract from Phyllanthus hepatitis B surface antigen gene expression in human hepatoma cells. They found that the extracts of Nelanelli or Phyllanthus neruri that could inhibit the growth of hepatitis B virus, for which there is no known cure in the world today. So Phyllanthus neruri, one of my favorite antiviral herb from India. Next one, Indian Journal of Medical Antiviral Activity of Indian Medicinal Plant Extract Swatia chirata against herpes simplex virus, a study by molecular approach, a study published in 2008. Swatia chirata, one of the powerful Indian herb found in the higher ranges of Himalaya, and today unfortunately this is in the verge of extinction because of over harvesting. So these are the 6 Indian herbs have the amazing, incredible potential to kill virus and bacteria. So combining the 6 Indian herbs extracts, the highly concentrated extract called as 10:1. 10:1. What is 10:1? 10 kg herbs are converted into 1 kg extract. So it becomes very strong, very powerful. We have used the 6 Indian herbs. All the 6 herbs are supported by substantial number of studies published in reputed journals across the world, and we have procured the raw material from the best units in the world and combined together and made a tablet called as Alpha Natural Immune Aid. Using these 6 herbs, evidence-based herbs, we combined, made tablet called as Immune Aid, and it's found to be very helpful. So from past 1 year, we are providing this tablet to our patients, and the result is really awesome, really amazing. So one of the simple way, so a good diet and Alpha Natural Immune Aid is the shield from viral infection. So my sincere advice, get your medicine from pharmacy, not from pharmacy. Pharmacy, F-A-R-M-A-C-Y, pharmacy, from the nature. That is very important, not from pharmacy. Thank you.